My kitchen is the high traffic area in my home. Between me going in and out for different things, my 4 dogs, and my toddler, our floors don't stay clean for very long. Of course, I didn't mention my wife because she claims she doesn't make any messes, but unfortunately she's usually the one that cleans them up. So when Airthereal offered for us to try out their new cordless wet-dry vacuum cleaner, we immediately agreed. Even though it's not a tool or building video like we normally do, we thought it'd be one of those things that could be useful for anyone. This vacuum is for hard floors such as laminate, tile, and sealed wood. To use it, you simply charge it up, fill it with water, tilt it back, and power it up. So we noticed after using the vacuum that there was only a light film of water on the floor, and it dries up pretty quickly. Depending on how dirty your floor is will determine which mode you use. The auto mode is for a lighter setting that will remove surface dust. The suction mode is for removing any spills or watermarks. And the max mode is for cleaning bigger messes. About 2 caps of the included floor cleaner solution can be added to the water for a deep clean. The vacuum weighs just under 10 pounds. It's easy to maneuver and has a lot of suction. One of the best features though is that hand-free self-cleaning brush. Once the cleaning is done, I push the self-clean button and it takes care of itself. I empty out the dirty water and put the vacuum on as charger for next time. Each charge should last about 30 to 40 minutes depending on which mode is being used. If I get lonely and want somebody to talk to, the vacuum has voice prompts to guide me through using the vacuum correctly. If I don't feel like having a conversation, the voice prompts can be muted. So we're grateful to Airthereal for letting us demo this vacuum, and this is also going to make a great addition to our home as we track mud in and our dogs help us wreck everything as well. And our toddler makes messes. And I wanted my wife to demo this, but she said no. She wanted everybody to know that this thing is so easy, Brentley can use it. And so if I can use it, anybody can use it. So watch for more helpful videos in the future, and thanks for watching.